Hi, this is Mark from Show Me Construction, and today we're going to convert a CFL light to LED. And we need to change the clips out to accept this new LED because we're going to eliminate the ballast. It's basically going to convert this whole light so you will not be able to use the CFL bulbs in it anymore. Anyway, we're going to get started. The problem we have is when they turn the light on, we're just getting two lights coming on. The other two, and they just now came on, but they go on and off. And now they can hear the ballast buzzing. Well, we're going to eliminate all this, take the ballast out, and convert these to LED. Okay, the first thing we need to do, it's important to shut the power off, which we turn the light switch off. And I'm going to remove these bulbs. This can be kind of a tight fit to get these things out. Then we're going to take the ballast cover off. You just squeeze it where these tabs are, and it comes right off. And these ballast, this is basically what this light is these ballasts right here control the lights. So these we're going to remove. We're going to cut the wires on these clips. We're going to leave one set of clips up just to support our new bulb, and it's the new clips that we're going to wire in to these wires coming out of the ceiling. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is disconnect our wires from our power supply. Okay, we're going to cut all these wires. We want to cut them out because these are no longer going to be used for the CFL. So we're cutting these all out. These are just going to be used to hold the end of the bulb. Okay. And we're going to cut them off of this end. Well, they're coming out anyway. I'm just going to take them out because these are going to come out. You press this little tab down and it slides out. I'll show you that again. It's in there. You press that little tab down and it slides out. There it is. Now these are out. Now I'm going to take out the ballast. There we are. Okay, we're using the wires that came off the ballast, and I'm going to strip one side off of these wires and stick them in these clips. And I put one on each side, and one's going to be my power and one's going to be my neutral. And then from there I have to jumper over to these. So on the jumper wires, I'm going to separate these, and we're just going to go 2 different colors to keep them separated. I'm just going to go ahead and go blue and red, the 2 different colors here. And we're just going to get jumper wires here. That's all these are going to be. That's all we need. So I'm going to strip this red. And I'm going to jumper out of this side and jumper over to this one. And that'll be on the bottom. The blue and a jumper from this side and put it in this one here. And now I'm going to take another red and I'm going to jumper out of this red one into this red one right here. And I'll jumper out of this blue into this blue right here. And we would do that again. We're going to jumper out of this one to our last one, the same. Blue to one side, red to the other side. And that'll keep the load and the neutral separate. On these new LEDs, that's what we're going to do. We're converting these. So that's basically it right there. So now, so we can put our cover back up here to hide all these wires, because we're going to utilize that. And we're ready to hang this back up. Okay, we got our fixture back up. We got our wires inside the clips. And now we're going to hook these up. There's no polarity on these, so we can just go ahead and, no polarity meaning it doesn't matter which side you put these on. Okay, those wires are in. I'm going to bundle these up so they stay up here. And I can put the cover back on. Inside this clips, locks in here. And there we are. It's important on these, the polarity doesn't matter, but it is important that you put the hot end. This is the hot end of this LED bulb. This is just a cap with prongs on it to support it. You want to plug it in with the same ones that you put your new clips in. So that's what we're going to do right now. We'll put these in. And we'll turn these. And you want to turn these so that all the reading is up and just the light is down. And again, here, this is the hot end. Now when you get these bulbs, the thing that's important to do is there is a little sticker that comes in these new bulbs, and you want to stick this sticker on there. I'm going to pull this one back out. What all this sticker does is to let you know that this fixture has been modified. And it can no longer accept the CFL bulbs. And it's important to put that on there so somebody in the future, when they're not going to put a regular bulb, they're not going to put a CFL bulb in this fixture because it won't work. And we're going to turn the light on. We got 3 bulbs in. The homeowner picked these up, and I was scheduled to come out here, but when I got here, he said he was only able to pick up 3 of the clips, but he got all 4 bulbs, and they're going to have the other clip tomorrow. But I was here today, so we decided to go ahead and put these on and make a video to show you how to do it, and then the homeowner is going to use this video actually to put this last one in himself and jumper the wires over and put the bulb in, and it'll be ready to go. It's very simple to do. And there it is. That's how you convert a CFL carbon fluorescent light to LED. If this video has been helpful and you've learned something from it, please hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. You only got 3 clips? I drove 3 hours here. You're supposed to get 4 bulbs and 4 clips. You got 4 bulbs and 3 clips. That's a good thing I'm related to you. I'm going to do these 3, and you can do the last one.